SD Touch 2. Cleaning mode. To clean or wipe off the SD Touch 2 panel, press the cleaning icon in the lower right corner when the oven is turned off. Press and hold it for 2 seconds until the whole icon has turned light gray. The cleaning screen appears. It is blank without any buttons. In the upper left corner, a counter appears counting down from 20 seconds. When the cleaning screen is loaded, you can clean and wipe the display without pressing any button or making any settings by mistake. When the counter reaches 0, the display returns to the start screen. To show or hide the cleaning icon, go to Settings. Enter PIN code and click OK. Go to Service screen and choose the User tab. Swipe down to the row Show Cleaning Page button. Click to the left on the slider to activate the function. The slider moves to the left and turns green when the function is activated. If you want to change the duration of the cleaning screen, click on the box to the right. Set your desired value. Standard countdown time is 20 seconds. Click OK and log out to complete the activation. The cleaning screen icon will now be displayed on the start screen when the oven is off. The function now has the new duration for the cleaning screen.